Hey everybody, it's Ariel. I was going to do a look into women's inequality, and this paper is just going to focus on all the inequalities that women do face in today's society. So I definitely hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So before we can talk about inequality, we first have to address what equality is. So I did find a quote that states equality is a gender equal society and would be one where the word gender does not exist, where everyone can be themselves. And if you look at the picture, we can see that both the man and the woman balance each other out. This is hinting to the fact of them being equal and one not being over the other. So that is how we view equality. Inequality. Now, this paper is based all around inequality in our society. So we've already addressed equality. Now let's dive into what inequality is. So, inequality is the relation between two expressions that are not equal. And in the case of this paper, we are talking about men versus women. And in the picture, you can see that the man is looking down on the people below him. This is definitely hinting towards him being more than equal to those people below him. So some types of inequality. We can find inequality surrounding women everywhere, from work, school, and in the media, as well as the way that their sexuality is viewed. So let's take a look at that first one, and it's inequality in the workplace. Women oftentimes go through inequality in their own place of employment. We see women having to go through lower rates for same work, or no or less opportunities to move up. And that means just moving up within your work environment. So that would include promotions or, raises. And we don't necessarily see that with women as much as we see it with men. Even so, we would see a man and a woman both interviewing for the same position at a workplace and the man receiving it over the woman. Inequality in society. Women are viewed as below men in society. We are seen as the stay-at-home moms and housewives. The word objectification is how women are normally referred to by men, involving a woman being viewed primarily as an object of male desire rather than as a whole person. So in men's eyes, we are viewed as objects. We are not even viewed as people, working people, hardworking people with rights. Men see us as these objects of their own desire. Now, this is not all men, but some men do see us as that. We definitely saw that back in like the 1900s versus now. We saw it more than now. Inequality in sexuality. Sexuality with men versus women is very unfair when it is viewed at by our society. We see women being referred to as hoes as well as other offensive names and dirty if we are sexually active with more than one partner, whereas men are praised for the same act. How is this fair, ladies? This is something that has followed women as they get older and grow. Women are oftentimes called out of their names because of their sexual activity, it might be the same as men, but it is still viewed very differently to others. Okay, so I did want to end with a short saying by minimalizing the rights of women, we deny ourselves to life millions of men and women and children out of poverty. The result of these issues, women remain poor and agricultural production cannot reach its full potential. Now, I just want to take a second to briefly discuss what I'm trying to say in this point. I'm saying that women, the world cannot go round without a woman. We are the backbones who hold everything together. Woman gives birth to children. And without us, we are unable to reproduce to make the world go round. So women are just as equal, if not more than equal, as men. And I definitely go into some deep topics when discussing this paper, and I really just can't wait for our professor to read it, because I did spend a lot of time on it, and I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation, and I cannot wait to see everybody else's. Good luck, guys, and take care.